Let me ask you something. Do you really know your English level? Are you a beginner, intermediate, or advanced? Maybe you understand when you listen, but when it's time to speak, your mind goes blank. If that sounds like you, don't worry, you are not alone. This happens to millions of English learners every single day. Today, you're going to take a complete English test, a real test, a smart test, one that shows your true level, not what you think, but what you actually know. This is not a school exam. No pressure, no stress. Just listen, think, and answer honestly. Follow one simple rule before we begin. Don't pause. Don't search. Don't overthink. Just answer naturally. Because real English is about fast, natural thinking. Let's begin. Which sentence is correct? She go to school every day, or she goes to school every day. She goes to school every day. With she, he, and it, we add s to the verb. What is the past tense of eat? Eated, ate, or eating? Ate. It's an irregular verb. You have to remember it. Choose the correct sentence. I have an apple, or I have an apple. I have an apple. Because apple starts with a vowel sound, we use an, not a. Which is correct? He don't like tea, or he doesn't like tea. He doesn't like tea. Last one here. I am student, or I am a student. I am a student. A very small word, but a very important one. If you got most of those right, good. You have a solid foundation. Now let's go a little deeper. Which sentence is correct? I am knowing the answer, or I know the answer. I know the answer. Some verbs are never used in continuous form. Fill in the blank. I have been studying English for 2 years. Or since 2 years? For 2 years. We use for with duration, and since with a specific point in time. Choose the correct sentence. She has went home, or she has gone home. She has gone home, which is correct. I did a mistake, or I made a mistake. I made a mistake. One of the most common errors in English. Don't forget it. Fill in the blank. If I were rich, I would travel the world. This is a hypothetical sentence. Remember, were, not was. Still with me? Good. Now the advanced level. What does nevertheless mean? Because, however, or finally. However, which is correct, I am having 2 brothers, or I have 2 brothers. I have 2 brothers, which is correct. If I will see him, I will tell him. Or if I see him, I will tell him. If I see him, I will tell him. What does break the ice mean? To destroy something? To start a conversation? Or to feel cold? To start a conversation. Last question. She is more smarter than me. Or she is smarter than me. She is smarter than me. You just completed the test. If your score is low, you're a beginner, medium, intermediate, high, advanced. But here's what matters most. Your level is not your limit. It's just your starting point. Every fluent speaker once struggled with the same mistakes you're making today. So don't compare yourself to others. Compare yourself to yesterday. If you improve even 1% every day, you will become fluent faster than you think. Your simple plan: practice every day. Even 15 minutes is enough. Listen to English, watch videos, repeat sentences out loud, and most importantly, speak, even when you make mistakes, because mistakes mean you're learning. Be confident, be consistent, keep going. Now tell me, are you a beginner, intermediate, or advanced? Write it in the comments. I read every single one. See you in the next lesson. Keep learning, keep improving, and keep speaking English every day.